Hello everyone. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to remove any object from the picture in Photoshop CC. So first of all, we have this picture. We have to just create a duplicate of this layer. Click on OK. After that we have to go to the quick selection tool, and in Photoshop CC above 2022 we have this option available. Otherwise you can do it manually, like just spray over this object and just select it. In this case, for the saving the time, I'm going to click on this object and I have to wait. Yep, so we have to just correct it according to ourselves. So I'm just correcting it. Yeah, it's almost okay. Now we have to go to the select menu, go to modify, go to expand, and just expand the selection about 10 pixels and hit OK. And remove, and just press Alt to negative and just remove these small selections. And we have just expand the selection. You have to go to edit bar, go to content aware fill. Just wait for it until it automatically completes. As you can see, the object, this is the best feature in Photoshop. In just a few seconds you can easily remove the object from the picture. So you just have to do this. So from that layer you can choose like a new layer, duplicate layer, current layer. In this case I'm going to choose a new layer. Okay, like you can choose the current layer as well. It will apply simply on the current layer and hit OK. Now just press Ctrl plus D to deselect the selection, and as you can see there's a lot of corrections we have to make, and for that reason just unhide this layer, go to quick selection, first of all patch tool, and just make a patch over there like this. And first of all we'll try to make it, if it is gonna stand. It is not working, so for that reason we have to first of all go to the stamp tool. This is a clone stamp tool. We have to press Alt to take the like a sample from there and just paint over there. Make a selection from there like a sample, take a sample from there by pressing Alt and click on it, then go to this area and just paint over there. Like select this layer, select the sample, and to go over this area, just paint over like that. Now we have to do our work on this. We have to press Alt on this area and just paste over there. You can go to patch tool, make a selection of that area, okay, and just take the clone stamp tool again, just take the sample from there and just paint over there like this. So if we remove the selection, you can see we can do this like that, but we have to work on it. So for that purpose I'm just leaving it right over there because it's almost done. And if I open the new image, I will do, you can see the difference between there. This is the previous image and this is the after, before and after, before and after. So this is our today's topic. If you like this tutorial, just hit hit the like button, press the bell icon.